Okay, guys, number 16 says, find the area of a trapezoid. Now, the important piece of information that we need to have here is the formula for the area of a trapezoid. And you guys are going to remember that for a trapezoid, the area is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. We're basically averaging the lengths of the bases. The bases are the parallel sides. Okay? So we're basically averaging them, and then we're going to take that number and multiply it by the height. Okay? That's the big piece of information that we need to have. All right? So for this one, I'm going to put parentheses in here, and I'll just fill in the information as I look at it. Okay? So base 1 is going to be 14. I'll go with that number as base 1. Base 2 is going to be 18, right here. And then the height of this thing is this altitude. And altitude is a line perpendicular to the two lines together, showing the distance between them. Okay? And so the height of this trapezoid is 12. Now we'll deal with the units in a moment. Since I'm finding the area, I know it's going to be units squared, because area is always squared. All right? So let's see. 14 plus 18 is 32 over 2 times 12. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the 2 with the 12, and that's going to give me 6. I left with 1 on the bottom. So now I've got 6 times 32. Now I could do that mentally. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 2 is 12. 180 plus 12 is 192. Or I could use this little algorithm that you guys use all the time. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry my 1. 6 times 3 is 18, and 1 is 19. So 192 feet squared. Now, Fritz, you had mentioned you had a question earlier. Did I answer it in the process, or do you still have it?
It's just that if you go back on the picture,
yeah.
I just noticed that the right side, it just seems like it's a bit slanted.
It looks like it's slanted a bit?
Yeah. Does that matter? Is that just...
No, I mean, it's not going to matter to what we have here.
I mean, wouldn't that make the right side a bit more, like, longer?
Is it possible that I could have these two lines, this could be longer, and this could be like that? Is that still a trapezoid?
Yeah.
I think it is,
yes.
Right? Even though it's slanted in and not out. Okay? It shouldn't affect it at all.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right, sure. Alex?
Is it okay if we did A equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2?
It is. It is. Guys, just to show you what Alex was talking about, he said, is it okay if we did area is equal to 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height? And that's definitely true. Because do you agree that if I multiplied 1/2 times this stuff, I would get base 1 plus base 2 all over 2?
Yeah.
Right? So it's the same thing, and it works fine. Okay? Same answers. Great job, guys. Let's look at the next example.